Hello and welcome to today's video. So I haven't posted anything in a while because, as you can tell from my voice, I've been sick. So I was sick over Christmas and New Year's because that's typically what happens. And I'm starting to get over it. I worked on this a little bit, but not a whole lot. I slept a lot of the time. But anyways, so we've got the pack Sniffer 2 over here, and you can see it's got a can error reading the leaf pack because I've got this all set up with other things. But anyways, we're not actually reading this guy. We are coming out the other side here, and if you follow that gray cable around, it comes out over here, and we go up here to the connector here, which used to plug into a leaf, but I've now just got some CAN bus and ground hooked up. So then we follow that around over to here. It goes into this CAN connector here with a little adapter. So we got adapters and adapters and adapters. And then this is the serial port going back to the PC here. I'll show you that in a second. And then we loop back around into here. So we finally get CAN bus into the NLG5 battery charger. So I've been working on the code. So I follow they have this ICD that they've published for the NLG5 battery charger. And so if I can find my mouse, where is that? There it is. So I've implemented this entire thing in code, including the bit order. And so that's all here. So that's already been that's all been implemented in my code here. So you can see it processes all those packets for the NLG5 battery charger, which is kind of interesting because it is actually running right now. So if I go ahead and put a breakpoint in here, we'll actually come in here and break on it. And if I go into my bit field here, this has perplexed me for the longest time because I have this bit set here. Can you see that? It's set to a 1. So this one I expect it's giving me a warning. And if you go into the errors and warnings, it says it hasn't received any CAN packets. So I expect that because I'm not sending anything to it yet. But this one's perplexed me because I got a bit 1 there for European mains detected. So we can come over here and you can see, where's that at in here? Yeah, right here, this line, European mains detected, 230 volts, 50 hertz. And so I assumed my bit field's wrong, and I've been playing with it and trying to figure it out, but they tell you the bit field down here, like what it should be. And so I've been playing with that, and I couldn't figure it out. And I've spent days trying to figure this thing out. And I go, wait a minute. I mean, it doesn't look like anything's messed up over here because I've got them all. I mean, this is my bit fields. It's pretty simple. You just type them in the same order they've got it in the document. So it's not like anything, it's not hard. Maybe I'm off by 1 or something, and I'm actually supposed to be getting these, because the next one right next to it is United States mains 1 and the United States main 2, which is 120 volts to 40 volts. But I finally go, wait a minute, there might be something wrong. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see what the charger actually thinks. So I went ahead and logged into the charger, and charger mains voltage, 167 volts. Yeah, that seems legit. I don't see any problem with that. That could possibly be, why does it think it's European mains? I go over to status, European mains detected. What the heck? It doesn't make any sense at all. I mean, European mains is supposed to be, where did it have it on here? Oh, I think I scrolled too far. So it's supposed to be 230 volts, 50 hertz. What the heck? I'm not powering it with that. So, as perplexing as that is, I will show you that if we go ahead and run this again. So go ahead and hit run on that. Oh, I'm going to hit my breakpoint again. Let me take out my breakpoint. So just let that run. Because right now we're just monitoring the data coming in. So here's an interesting thing. Well, let me go back to, flip this back to status here. So 167 volts. And I've got the charger, if you saw earlier, hooked up to my Variac. And I've got it set to 120 volts. And it says it's putting out 120 volts. And if you bridge rectify that, you get about 167, so everything looks like it's correct. Somehow, I have stumbled onto a bug in the NLG5 battery chargers to where it's somehow thinks that this is 50 hertz, 240 volts. Here's the cool thing. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to lower the voltage just a little bit. That's all I'm going to do. So if we come back over here, we now say that we're at 152.4 volts because I just lowered it. And now if I go over to my status, oh, it still says European mains. Oh, I got this to fix earlier. Let me turn it down a little bit more. So we're going to go ahead and turn this down. Hello, Milo. Did you come to check this out? So I've gone ahead and turned it down some more. There you go. Now it says it's USA mains 1 detected. So if they're trying to detect 50, 60 hertz to determine if it's European or US, that doesn't make any sense because this is 60 hertz. I just changed the voltage. Why are they looking at the voltage? So anyways, if I go back to the status, oh wait, yeah, I'm already in status. Go back to main, you can see I'm down to 136 volts. And that's now thinks that it's European or USA mains. So if I come back over here and put my breakpoint back on, breakpoint here, and then scroll down, you'll see that now my bit changed to US 1, US mains 1. So what the heck? See, the 0 and the 1 has flipped. So I don't know what they're doing. It seems like they're definitely checking the wrong thing if it's supposed to be voltage, and they're actually checking current. But anyways, go ahead and hit run again. And I can also get it to flip to 240 volts or US mains 2 by turning it all the way up. So here, we'll go ahead and do that. And is it going to flip? Oh, before it flipped over to US mains 2. See, this is why I should just record it right. Yeah, it still says US mains 1 detected. Unless maybe I have to power cycle it or something to get it to flip. But I actually turned it all the way up and I got it to flip to US mains 2. But anyways, I was able to check that and it all worked. So we'll go ahead and flip this back to, oops, Jersey, come here. What are you doing? Jersey's come down to chase the cat. All right, whatever. And so if I go back to here, you can see I'm at 199.8 volts. And then if I come into here, so this is all working now. So if I come down to the actual values here and put a breakpoint on that, you'll see it break in here, and then mains voltage 199. You can see that 199.6 volts, and we're at 199.8 here. And then actual voltage on the battery is 145.8 volts. And if you look here, it is 148.45 or 145.8 volts. So looks like it's going. If I actually hit run again, I bet that will change to. Nope, still 199.6. Nah, I can't get it to roll over to the next bit. But yeah, so what's up with that? I don't know why their mains voltage is detecting wrong, but it looks like everything else is reading right, and progress is being made. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and change it so I'm actually sending CAN packets to it, and hopefully she'll start charging. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.